Losing weight is something that many of us are aiming for these days. Having to plan the right weight loss process might sound tedious. Simple home-based remedies with natural foods are the best way to start this process. This amazing juice will assist you in slimming down and help you lose weight fast. Now, before we get to know the heroes of the drink, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to know the 3 main ingredients. 1. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is loaded with antioxidants. It helps in flushing out toxins from your body. 2. Lemon. Lemon supports digestion. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which helps in many ways to support your immune system. 3. Dandelion root tea. Dandelion tea helps in improving digestion. Dandelion root has natural diuretic properties and may also help in liver functions. Now let's take a look on how to make this super drink. Brew the dandelion root tea bag in a cup of hot water. Let it cool down to room temperature. Fill a large pitcher with the cool tea, add cranberry juice and lemon juice. Fill the remainder of the pitcher with water and refrigerate. Drink this pitcher throughout the day. Make a new pitcher every day and drink this juice for at least a week. So, did you like the recipe? Try this and tell us what you think.